All right, hello pre-algebra, welcome back. This is our first lesson in Unit 6. This is the unit on ratios and proportional reasoning, and we are starting off with the topic of ratios. What are they? They are any comparison of two things with division. So we can be numbers, we can be variables, we can write them with the word two, we can write them with a colon, we can write them with a fraction bar. The fraction bar is the most common way we do it. Yeah, that's that. So let's get right into it. We have 12 baskets in 18 attempts. So baskets is a common way we refer to making a shot in basketball. Basket's short for basketball. So anytime we have a ratio, we like to reduce it. 12 over 18, right? You look for the greatest common factor. They both have a 6. If I divide a 6 out, it is 2/3. It is okay to have an improper fraction as your answer. Okay, so if it were 3 over 2, that would be okay. But normally the ratios are smaller. The numerator is smaller than the denominator because remember, you can write them like this. So it'd be okay to have a bigger number first. Say you had 2 girls for every 1 boy in your class. That's okay. It's just a lopsided ratio. It's not a big deal. All right, looking at this table, this is the lifespan of a bottlenose dolphin compared to the lifespan of a mouse. Explain a ratio in simplest form. So we take bottlenose dolphin compared to a mouse. They both have a 3, so if I divide by 3 on top and bottom, I get 10 over 1 is my ratio. Okay, so a bottlenose dolphin, we could say, lives 10 times longer than a mouse, which is not surprising because mice are pests with a lot of predators, including humans. Not that we eat them, but we get rid of them, if you know what I mean. All right, now, number 2, we have 15 out of 100 campsites at a campground reserved for campers with pets. I'm assuming dogs, but you probably could have a lot of different pets you could take with you camping. What is this in simplest form? And explain its meaning. All right, so we have 15 out of 100. Greatest common factor there is probably 5. Let's just make sure. You get 3 out of 20, right? 3 and 20 don't have anything in common. 3 is prime. Okay, what does this mean? This means 3 out of every 20 campsites are meant and reserved for pets. Anytime you have to explain something, give me a sentence or two that explains what does your number or answer mean. Now, how do we relate these with measurements? If you're given a measurement, ounces and pounds, these cannot be ratios until they're the same. Now, 100% of the time, you're always going to want to take the bigger measurement and make it the smaller measurement. So, in this case, 1 pound is 16 ounces. So I'm going to convert this and I'm going to take it times 16. So really this ratio says 8 to 48. All right, they're both reducible by 8. So it's 1 to 6 is the ratio, and they wrote it as a fraction. So in this case, 15 inches to 1 foot. Okay, how many inches are in a foot? It's times 12. 15 to 12, they're both reducible by 3. So we're going to divide that whole thing by 3. So you get it a 5 to 4 ratio. Okay. I will send you, and I already have, by the time you watch this, sent you a conversion table that came up with all the different conversions you need, but feel free to look up on Google anytime you need to convert, a different unit that I might ask you to use. All right. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, message me on Canvas, or talk to me in class. Talk to you soon. Bye.